Physical wear and tear to the body can affect everyone. The longer and more often you're exposed to stressful working positions, the greater the risk of injury and problems with your body. In the building industry, there are many work routines that can be hard on the body. But if you use your head to use your body correctly, then you can still be strong and virile when you turn 60. By planning your work well, you reduce the risk of injuries to your body. For example, by avoiding heavy lifting and inappropriate work positions. Planning is all about organizing the workplace so it suits the user. Ensuring that machines and tools are also appropriate for the user and for the work to be performed. Using ergonomic equipment, tools and technical assistance to increase safety and reduce injuries. Some of the work routines that increase the risk of injury include heavy lifting, heavy work, poor work positions, and uniform repetitive work. Heavy lifting can cause physical wear and tear and problems with muscles, tendons and joints, especially in the back. Pushing or pulling can cause similar problems. In particular, sudden or heavy stresses or loads can cause serious injuries. If you can't use appropriate equipment to help lift, then you can reduce the strain by lifting and carrying as close to your body as possible. Carrying puts a further stress on your back. The weight mustn't exceed approximately 20 kilos, and you shouldn't carry it more than about 20 meters. And again, use equipment as much as possible. Working, lying down, squatting or kneeling and above shoulder height is considered stressful work and should be avoided as far as possible. Good planning of, for example, the delivery of materials can, to a large degree, help prevent stressful work. Well-organized workplaces and the right choice of tools and equipment also help avoid work positions that can cause injuries. If the work involves movements that are repeated again and again, then we're talking about uniform repetitive work. It's tiring and stressful for the body. So again, it's important to plan your work so that there's the widest possible degree of variation. For example, by alternating between different tasks. So remember, planning, planning, planning. Planning that includes the use of technical equipment to reduce loads and stresses when lifting, pushing and pulling. And planning that includes good work positions and variation in repetitive work. Planning, where you use your head to protect your body.